tutorial we are going to show this question: find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve in that equation. So for finding coordinates of the stationary point, you have to do dy by dx first, then we can consider it equals to 0 to get the stationary point coordinates for value of x. Then we can determine the nature of the stationary point. So let me do the differentiation first. We can write the expression like this: 3 minus x square minus 16 x to the power minus 2. Then our dy by dx, 3 gives us 0, minus 2x minus minus plus 32 x to the power minus 3. Now we need to consider dy by dx equals to 0, so we can write it minus 2x plus 32 x to the power 3 equals to 0, because x as a power negative written here. Now we can write it minus 2x equals to minus 32 divided by x cube. We can cut this minus sign from the both side, and the expression is 2x to the power 4 equals to 32, and x to the power 4 equals to 16. So square root of x, from here we got 16 to the power 1 by 4, which gives us plus minus 2. So this is our stationary point x value. Now we have to find out the value of y by putting this value in the main equation for y. Therefore the y value is y equals to the expression written 3 minus x square minus 16 by x square. So it gives us 3 minus x square. If x equals to plus minus 2, definitely here, since x equals to plus minus 2, so x square equals to 4 by making both sides square. So you can put it here directly, 4 minus 16 by over 4. So it gives us the value is minus 5. Therefore we can conclude our coordinate actually 2 comma minus 5, and another coordinate minus 2 comma minus 5. This is our stationary point coordinate, turning point coordinate, 2 5 minus 5 and minus 2 minus 5. Now we are going to check whether this point is a maximum or minimum. This is called the determine the nature of each point. For doing that, we have to differentiate the expression another time, d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square, it gives us negative 2, then minus 32 into 3, which is 96, and x to the power minus 4. That is the expression. So we can write it easily, negative 2 negative 96 by x to the power 4. So let me put the value, negative 2 minus 96 here, x to the power 4 equals to 16. So let me put directly where the x plus minus 2 is here. So 16 we need to write. It gives us minus 2 minus 6 which is minus 8. So it's a value negative value. We know negative value stands for the maximum point. So we can conclude, therefore we can write 2 negative 5 and negative 2 negative 5. These points, these both points are maximum point. For negative value, it gives us the maximum point or maximum value. So this is our conclusion of this question. Thanks for watching this question with your patience. You are welcome to see my next tutorial as well.